How to diversify a neutral tinted interior. In brief, mix a few colors, stress accents, add textured textiles, and use natural materials. Watch the video for details. If you decide to implement ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. Tip 1. Select finishing colors and materials. A neutral interior doesn't necessarily mean boring. Restrained shades make the atmosphere relaxed, which will be suitable for the bedroom or study. Pure white can act as a perfect backdrop for furniture and accessories, but only if you use it in small increments. It won't do any good if you paint all the walls and ceiling in bright white. It looks too strict and cold. However, reduced grey-brown shades will look great with a ceiling painted white or wooden elements. And light grey is in harmony with ivory color. If you think that you need more contrasting colors, then you can do the following. Option 1. Choose one wall for the accent and cover it with wallpaper with discrete graphic ornaments that are slightly darker than the main color of the walls. Option 2. Lay patterned tiles on the floor, but make sure that the following colors are in harmony with the shades in the overall design. Option 3. Cover the elements of natural wood with a dark stain, chocolate tint or black paint. These may include the window and door frames. This method looks nice if you choose light grey as the main color. Don't be afraid to experiment with combinations of shades. The neutral gamut is so good that it's easy to work with. Tip 2. Add textured materials. Wooden furniture and objects made of metal or natural stone combined with textured textiles will give the volume and a feeling of coziness you want. Lay a sheepskin rug or a woolen one with a simple pattern rug on the floor and hang linen curtains on the windows. Wicker furniture is back in fashion and has migrated from covered verandas to living rooms. With their simple shades and lightweight look, such items will also help to diversify a neutral design. Wicker baskets that can be used to store small items will produce a similar effect. Live potted plants will bring life into the restrained color palette and harmoniously fit into the interior, but at the same time they won't overload the space and won't attract too much attention. Put them directly on the floor or use metal or wooden stands. And yes, this is that very case when macrame flower pots won't look strange. Tip 3. Stress accents. If you don't like bright colors, use shades of gray, brown and black. Hang posters and monochrome posters on the wall. Black and white photos in frames is also a classic interior design technique. You can also use small paintings or even mirrors. You don't have to choose ones of the same size and shape. Select one wall and arrange them so that they make a kind of a panel picture. Textiles can also act as accents. Decorative cushions with monochrome covers whose shade matches the wallpaper on the wall, or with a pattern that repeats the floor tiles pattern. Or soft bedspreads of restrained dark grey or warm chocolate shades. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Enjoy your experiments and embrace the changes.